Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this quick video, I explain how to clear Windows Run Dialog history on Windows Server. This video is in response to a viewer's comment asking how to remove Run Dialog history. I actually think the Windows Run Dialog box is a powerful tool that enables administrators and users to quickly launch programs, open folders, and execute commands. Every time you use the Run Dialog box, Windows stores a log of the commands you typed for quick access later. While this feature can be extremely useful, sometimes you may want to clear this log. Maybe you're using a shared or public server and want to maintain privacy. Or maybe you're an administrator performing maintenance and want to delete unnecessary or outdated entries. Whatever the reason, today I'll show you how to clear the Windows Run Dialog box history on Windows Server using the Registry Editor. And to open the Registry Editor, type regedit in the Run Dialog window and click OK. After opening the Registry Editor, open the path shown in front of you on the screen, and I will leave you the path in the video description. You can expand each folder manually or copy and paste the path directly into the Registry Editor's address bar. After opening the path, move to the right of the RunMRU key. You'll see several text values labeled with single letters, such as A, B, and C. These represent the commands previously entered in the Run Dialog box. All you have to do now is select all of these text values, then right-click on any of them and choose Delete from the context menu. When the Confirm Value Delete verification message appears, click the Yes button. Also, delete MRU list, which helps keep track of the order of commands. It will be automatically reset once the registry is cleared. Now all values have been deleted except for the one named Default. Leave it as is, and you can now close the Registry Editor. We'll now verify that the Run Dialog box history has been deleted. Open Run Dialog window, and you'll find that all previous registry entries are no longer available. That's all for today's video. Using the Registry Editor, you can clear the Run Dialog history on Windows Server. This simple cleaning process is useful for improving privacy and maintaining security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your fellow IT administrators. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and system administration tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.